What if silent system already shapes your daily life before you even wake up? It chooses the videos you see, suggests the food you order, guides a route you take to work, and even influences the news you read. And the surprising part is this: most people never notice it happening. In today's video, we are going to explore how artificial intelligence is quietly changing everyday human life. Not in science fiction movies and not in some far future, but right now in simple moments you live every single day. From a phone in your hand to the way you shop, from how you travel to how you relax at night, AI is already part of your routine. Let's dive in. 1. AI is changing how you use your phone. Think about the first thing you do when you wake up. For many people, it is reaching for phone. You open social media, check messages, watch a short video, and start scrolling without even thinking. It feels normal, but something powerful is happening in the background. Every time you tap, pause, scroll, or replay, artificial intelligence is learning from you. It learns what you enjoy, what you ignore, and what keeps you looking at the screen longer. That is why your feed feels personal. Your video suggestions are not random. Your news updates are different from everyone else's. AI studies your behavior and predicts what you might want next. If you watch cooking videos, it shows more recipes. If you stop on fitness clips, it sends workout tips your way. Over time, this does more than entertain you. It shapes your mood, your interests, and sometimes even your beliefs. That is the quiet power of AI. It does not shout. It gently guides you through your screen every single day. 2. AI is transforming how you shop. Shopping used to be simple. You walked into a store, looked around, and chose what you liked. Today, shopping happens mostly online, and behind every screen, artificial intelligence is working nonstop. When you search for a product, AI decides what appears first. It ranks items, highlights reviews, and suggests similar products it thinks you will love. Sometimes prices change depending on demand or timing. Sometimes offers appear because the system senses you are close to buying. Even messages like "only 2 left" are often guided by smart systems designed to create urgency. AI tracks what you view, what you click, and what you skip. Over time, it builds a picture of you as a shopper, not your name or address, but your habits, your style, your budget level, and your timing. That is why ads sometimes feel like they read your mind. It is not magic. It is pattern learning. This can save you time and help you find what you want faster, but it can also push you to buy more than you need. So the next time you shop online, pause for a second and ask yourself, did I choose this or was I guided toward it? 3. AI is changing how you move around. Travel and transport have changed quietly too. When you open a map app, it shows the fastest route. When you book a ride, the system finds a driver in seconds. When traffic changes, your path changes with it. All of this happens because AI is processing huge amounts of data like traffic flow, weather, road closures, and travel patterns. Years ago, people guessed routes, asked for directions, and learned by getting lost. Today, many people follow the screen without question. This saves time and reduces stress, but also changes behavior. People rely more on systems and less on their own judgment. They stop learning on the streets. They stop planning ahead. AI becomes the quiet driver of daily decisions. This is not a bad thing, but balance matters. Smart tools should make you smarter, not less aware. Taking a quick look at the map before following directions helps you stay in control instead of moving on autopilot. 4. AI is entering your home. Now look around your house. Your TV suggests what to watch next. A smart speaker answers your questions. Lights turn on when you enter a room. Cameras watch the door. These tools feel helpful, and they truly are. They save time, improve comfort, and add safety. But they also learn. Your TV learns your favorite shows. Your speaker learns your voice. Your thermostat learns your schedule. Slowly, your home becomes a place that responds to you. This is one of the biggest lifestyle changes of our time. Homes are no longer just walls and furniture. They are becoming learning environments. This can make life easier, but it also means data is created every day. That is why simple habits matter. Updating devices, using strong passwords, and checking privacy settings once in a while can make a big difference. A smart home should work for you, not quietly watch you without your awareness. 5. AI is changing how you work. The workplace today looks very different from just a few years ago. People now use AI tools to write emails, create reports, design graphics, and prepare presentations. Tasks that once took hours can now take minutes. This boosts productivity and helps small teams do big work, but it also changes expectations. Managers expect faster results. Companies expect higher efficiency. Some roles evolve while new ones appear. The biggest shift is not job loss, it is skill change. Knowing how to work with AI is becoming as important as knowing how to use a computer once was. People who learn to guide these tools will move ahead, while those who avoid them may struggle. The future of work is not humans against machines. It is humans working with machines in smarter ways. 6. AI is changing how we learn and study. Learning today looks very different from how it looked just a decade ago. In the past, students depended mainly on teachers, textbooks, and libraries. Now, artificial intelligence is becoming a quiet partner in education. Online platforms use AI to recommend lessons based on what a student understands and where they struggle. Language apps adjust practice levels automatically. Study tools summarize long chapters in seconds. Even exam preparation has changed, with smart systems predicting what topics a learner needs to focus on most. This makes education more personal than ever before. Instead of one system for everyone, learning now adapts to each person. This helps many students gain confidence and move faster, but also brings a new challenge. When answers come too easily, effort can feel less important. That is why the best way to use AI in learning is as a guide, not a shortcut. When students use it to understand better, instead of copying faster, education becomes stronger, not weaker. 7. AI is quietly shaping entertainment. Entertainment is one of the areas where people feel AI the most, even if they do not realize it. When you open a streaming app, the movies and shows you see first are not random. They are carefully chosen by systems that study your watching habits. Music apps build playlists based on your mood and time of day. Gaming platforms adjust difficulty levels depending on how well you play. This creates a very personal experience. It feels like the content understands you, but there is another side to this comfort. When systems keep showing you the same type of content, you may stop exploring new ideas. You stay inside a comfort zone without noticing. Real growth often comes from surprise, from trying something different. So sometimes step outside the feed. Pick a movie you would normally skip. Listen to a new kind of music. Let curiosity lead instead of the algorithm. That small choice keeps entertainment exciting and keeps your mind open. 8. AI is influencing relationships and social life. Relationships are also changing quietly because of artificial intelligence. Dating apps suggest matches based on behavior patterns. Social platforms decide which friends' posts you see most. Even group chats are influenced by smart notifications that push certain conversations forward. This can help people connect faster, but it can also shape who we meet and how often we interact. When algorithms choose which faces you see, they also shape your social world. This does not mean technology ruins relationships. It means relationships now need more awareness. Real connection still depends on time, attention, and honesty. AI can introduce people, but only humans can build trust. 9. AI in health and wellness. Health is one of the most powerful areas where artificial intelligence is making a quiet difference. Fitness apps track your steps. Smartwatches monitor your heart rate. Sleep tools analyze your rest patterns and suggest better routines. Some systems even detect early signs of health problems before you feel anything wrong. This shift is huge because it moves healthcare from reaction to prevention. Instead of waiting to feel sick, people can now take action early. This saves time, money, and lives. But health also needs caution. AI can support doctors, not replace them. It can highlight patterns, but it cannot fully understand emotion, stress, or complex medical history. The best future is teamwork. AI handles data. Doctors make decisions. People stay informed and involved in their own care. The quiet risks of AI in daily life. Now, let's slow down for a moment and talk about the risks. With all the comfort AI brings, there are challenges we cannot ignore. Privacy is one of the biggest. AI needs data to learn, and the more it knows, the more powerful it becomes. But who controls that data matters. Another issue is bias. If AI learns from unfair data, it can repeat unfair results. This can affect hiring, education, and even justice. There is also the risk of over-reliance. When people trust systems too much, they stop questioning. They stop thinking critically. The solution is not fear. It is awareness. Use AI. Enjoy its benefits. But stay curious. Ask simple questions about how systems work and who benefits from them. A smart user is always stronger than a smart tool. What this means for your future. Artificial intelligence is not coming someday. It is already here, quietly shaping how you live. It helps you wake up, move around, work, learn, relax, and connect with others. The future will not belong to those who ignore this change. It will belong to those who understand it. You do not need to become a programmer. You do not need deep technical knowledge. You only need awareness. Ask yourself why you see certain content. Why do some choices feel easy? Why do some decisions feel automatic? These small questions keep you in control. The more you understand AI, the more power you gain over your own life. So now I want to ask you, which part of everyday life do you think artificial intelligence has changed the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video useful and eye-opening, make sure to like the video, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to the channel for more simple and powerful content about technology and real life. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.